Let's see how it tastes. Super good. Hey guys, Alan here with the Barely Daddying YouTube channel. And today we're making haupia. Let's go. So all you need is 4 ingredients. You use cornstarch, some sugar, of course the coconut milk, and water. We're just gonna simmer the coconut milk in the pot on medium heat. Okay, so we're gonna simmer this coconut milk on medium heat. Next, we're gonna get 3/4 cups of water. And we're gonna add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch and 5 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. The main thing is you don't make a big mess because the wife will be mad. So clean up after yourself. We have our non-stick pan that we're going to pour this into, 8 by 8. Now that the coconut milk is simmering, we're going to add the liquid mixture to the coconut milk and whisk it for 10 minutes. You're going to want to whisk this until it gets firm, sticky, and thick. So haupia is like a coconut pudding. Yeah, that's how I would say it. Coconut, it's almost like a coconut pudding jello. Yeah. And it's super good for like, you trying to make luau, play Hawaiian food at home. Just a nice dessert, light dessert afterwards. Super sweet and coconutty, if you like coconut. I'm doing the Karate Kid method of mixing. Oh, Daniel-san, your leg's sore. Miyagi fix. Oh, 10 minutes is up. I think it's done. Okay, now we're gonna pour it into the pan. Make sure it's a non-stick pan. We're gonna cool it down before putting it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or so. More the better. What does Urkel say? Shh! Not while I'm pouring. Okay, so we're just gonna like leave it on the counter till it's cooled off, and then we'll put it in the fridge after. See it when it gets back. Okay, it's been about a good 20 minutes, so I think it's cooled off now. Now we wait. Okay, good morning guys, we're back and we're gonna go check up on the haupia. I left it in overnight, so should be good now, solid. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it over because it's a non-stick pan. It should come out, and then we're gonna cut it all up. So mine came out a little lumpy on the top. I didn't smooth it out good enough, but it's okay because once you flip it over, it'll be on the bottom side, and then the bottom will be on the top, which should be pretty straight, and then you can cut it from there and then plate it. Then the lumpy side will be on the bottom, right? But my pan has some designs on the bottom, so you're gonna see some nice designs to the top. So you take this plastic knife and you score it around the pan so it doesn't stick when you flip it over. Ta-da! It popped right out. See, like I said, my pan has these like decorations on top. So if you had a flat pan, it'd be super flat and nice. But mine has little like squares on it, diamonds. Just more for the party, aesthetics wise. And all you gotta do is just cut it up. Look how nice and firm it stands for coconut jello. See how thick it is? And it's just sturdy, standing on its own. Here's the Haupia. Wow, look at that. It's like coconut jello. See? Like I said, so if you had a flat pan, it'd be super nice and authentic looking. But mine has a lot of design in it, so it's very modern Haupia. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm, super good. Yep, so that's barely daddying, making easy Haupia, only 4 ingredients, so go try them and see how it is. Bring it to your next party. Alright, I'll see you at the next one.